Due to increasing tariff of Goa's guest houses, critics and journalists are avoid going there as it is out of their reach. Now till 17, late Shri Parikars have always helped media, but now things have entirely got changed. What are the facilities given by PIB to media coverage? Is the central government have any plans to bring IFI back to Delhi, because we have all facilities in the City Fort Auditorium, modern facilities. So why can't we use that, sir?
जहाँ तक आपके पहले सवाल का, पीआईबी के प्रिंसिपल डीजी से बाद में मिल लें, ये आपकी मांग है। दूसरा आपकी मांग है कि क्या दिल्ली में लाया जाएगा वापस। हम इस वर्ष की बात कर रहे हैं कि इस वर्ष पहले वर्षों से बड़ा इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया गोवा में आयोजित होगा, जो साउथ एशिया का इकलौता इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल है। 3 गुना ज़्यादा फिल्में आई हैं और हमारा पूरा फोकस इसके सफल आयोजन पर है, ताकि लोग यहाँ पर गोवा में आकर अपना वो मेमोरीज लेकर जाएं जो फिल्म जगत से जुड़ी हों और एक बड़ा आकर्षण उसको बनाने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है।
Sir, you made a very two important points. One is that the industry is growing at the rate of 20% per annum. Number one. Number two, you said that you are going to set 6,000 films, older films are going to be restoration. The second part, why the film festival held only in Goa? Why not in Tamil Nadu, southern part of India, Mumbai, Kolkata? There are a lot of films are made in that states where the international tourists can come and the film producers can take part in that area. Would you like to respond to that?
Why do we have the World Economic Forum in Davos? Why do we have the Cannes Film Festival in Cannes? Because when the decision is taken, it takes a couple of decades to establish as a venue, as a hub for a certain program. And I'm glad to say here that International Film Festival of India has become a big name in the field of cinema. In the last 2 decades, a lot of efforts have been made to establish Goa as a center for the International Film Festival. At that time, not many comments came forward, but Manohar Parrikar ji came forward to make Goa as a hub of the International Film Festival. That is one. If in future there are certain interest shown by anyone, we could have a look at that. If anyone shows interest. You are showing interest, but Tamil Nadu government never showed interest that way. No, but they did not show interest, no. You are showing interest doesn't make much difference.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.